Hey guys, it's Sheri Ann Richerson from experimentalhomesteader.com, and we are here today to do an unboxing of an Influenster box. Now, first, I need to tell you that I did receive this item for free in exchange for my honest review. This is the box. It is from Influenster, and they do Vox boxes, which is what this is called. It's VOX. And basically what you do is you sign up with this company right here. And if you're an influencer, sorry, and then they ask you to share your blog, your social media, your YouTube channel, your TikTok, whatever you have. And you get questions, and if you're picked for a Vox box, so you'll get an email that says you're in the running to get a Vox box potentially, and then you go in and you fill out a survey, and at the end of the survey it tells you if you are pre-qualified to potentially be on the list to get one. If you are going to get one, then they will send you an email letting you know to watch for it in the mail. And this is basically what they look like when they come. It has been a long time since I have got one, just because I wasn't applying to try to get one. So, and they're really nice boxes. I had just kind of burnt out and said, let somebody else have a chance. So when you open it up, there is, of course, paperwork and stuff inside. And this is called the Fall Haul Vox Box. So that's your hashtag right there, Fall Haul Vox Box. And it basically tells you, you go to the app, you try your products, you let people know what you think of them, and then you take a survey and share your feedback with people. On the back of it, it basically tells what's oh, excuse me. It basically tells what is inside of your box. This box has the OxiClean Odor Blasters Versatile Odor and Stain Remover. So let me get in the box and find that. These are usually little sample size items. It says put OxiClean Odor Blasters Versatile Odor and Stain Remover to work on all your dirty, dingy, stinky laundry. It's specifically formulated for use on smelly socks, musty towels, work and uniform smells, sweat stains, and body odor. The hashtag for this is my OxiClean Odor Blasters. And of course, this is an OxiClean official. This is the product that I was really excited about because I actually do use OxiClean quite a bit. We always have some kind of OxiClean on hand here that we use. So I was really excited to give this product a try. The next item is chapstick. Right here. This is pumpkin pie. To be honest with you, I don't like pumpkin pie. That does not mean that I won't like the chapstick. I do like chapstick. My favorite is the mint, but pumpkin pie, I don't know about. It's a great fall choice for a flavor for chapstick. It says chapstick limited edition pumpkin pie. Celebrate the fall season with a delicious holiday treat. Chapstick limited edition pumpkin pie flavor is a sweet lip moisturizer with a dollop of seasonal spice. It is hashtag chapstick obsessed, and the official is at chapstick. So again, I know this is a great product because I use chapstick. I'm not so sure about the flavor, but I know a lot of you absolutely love pumpkin pie, and I'm sure this flavor is going to be a real hit with those of you that do like pumpkin pie. The last item is Perrier Energize. And this is a new product because I do drink Perrier. This is what it is. It says, give your day a refreshing lift with new Perrier Energize Invigorating Perrier Bubbles, now powered by organic caffeine and delicious yerba mate. I probably said that wrong. Available in 3 mouthwatering flavors. And the hashtag is Perrier Energize, and the official is at Perrier USA. So this is a pomegranate flavor, which I think that's going to be really good. I was excited about the pomegranate flavor because I do like pomegranate. The back of this says plant-based caffeine, low calories, and organic certified right there. I know that the light is putting a glare on the plastic here, and I'm sorry about that, but I really do need the light to be able to get a better video for you guys to be able to see. There are a couple other items in this box. So first, let me put these back. Let's see. Okay. This says that these are available at Target, right here. I did see these at Meijer last night. We was looking at them. So, I know that Meijer has them, but also Target is who they are promoting through this. And the OxyClean. Okay. This is I wanted to make sure there was no codes or anything that I wasn't supposed to share, because sometimes they will send a sample and then they will actually send a coupon along with it to go get like a full size. But these are just sample sizes. As I said, you can see here what I got. And these were for free. Now, once I try these products, I will go over to the Influenster app. It's an app now, instead of going to the website like you used to do. And I will leave my thoughts on these items. Depending on what I think of them will determine if I actually do a blog post on Experimental Homesteader. If there's a product that I really, really like, then I will usually do some kind of post. If not, I normally just do it on the Influencer site. Like I said, the OxyClean is the big thing in here that I'm excited about, because the Perrier, I do like Perrier. I just don't know about the fact that it has the added caffeine, because caffeine is something that I'm trying to keep out of my diet. On the other hand, you know, it's promoting having some of this about 3 p.m. when you're starting to kind of wear down from the day. And I totally get that, because about 3 p.m. I'm wearing down for the day. I'm sure most of you are too if you're a day shift person. And so I can understand wanting a pick-me-up. And, you know, I would like to take a little closer look at this. It does say 35 calories. There's no sodium, but there is 14% sugar. It says 7 grams and then 7 grams of added. So, the ingredients are, I'm going to have to take this off to actually be able to read this. Okay, mineral water, organic yerba mate extract, organic cane sugar, carbon dioxide, citric acid, natural flavors, organic green coffee extract. And that's where the caffeine is coming from, which is what I had kind of suspected anyway. So guys, if you love this video, please subscribe. If you want to see more, definitely subscribe. You have to click that little bell to get notifications. Otherwise, if you subscribe and you don't click that bell, you won't be getting notifications. Also, if you would like to support our channel and what we do, click that join button down there. We have 3 different levels of membership, starting at just $1.99 a month and going up. We would love to have your support so that we can keep making videos and doing what we do to bring you the content that you want to see. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great night.